Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate CapCut templates for consistent video workflow. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate CapCut templates for a consistent video workflow, start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, locate the templates section at the bottom of the page. Tap on templates to access the available options. Browse through the various templates available for your video projects. When you find a template you like, tap on it to view the details. Take a moment to review how the template is structured and how it can fit your content. If you decide to use the template, click on the Use Template button. The app will prompt you to select the media files you want to include. Choose your videos or images from your gallery. You can adjust the order of your media files after selecting them. After arranging your clips, press the Continue button. Now, you'll enter the editing interface with your selected template. Here, you can customize text, effects, and transitions as needed. Make sure to preview your video by clicking the play button. Once satisfied with the changes, tap on the Export option at the top right. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate settings. After configuring the export settings, click on the Export button to save your video. You have now successfully activated a CapCut template for a streamlined video workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.